So we are at the Knapford station subdivision, I think subdivision. We are 3D printing some accessories. I found the wall clock, I think it's attached to a wall, and we just 3D printed. So this will be part of the new project for Knapford station, 3D printed Knapford station. So pretty much looks like so, like that. It's not bad for miniature. Let me see, focus. Yeah, so we have that done, and we are working with other accessories. Next will be one of those column supports for the canopy.